Buongiorno. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Italian cuisine, and there's one dish that has been captivating taste buds for centuries: Cacio e Pepe. Join me as we explore the fascinating history and uncover some of the most intriguing unknown facts about this delectable pasta dish. Let's get started. Origins of Cacio e Pepe. Cacio e Pepe translates to cheese and pepper, but did you know that its roots can be traced back to ancient times? The dish's simplicity reflects the humble ingredients available to shepherds and travelers along the Appian Way. Sheep's milk cheese, Pecorino Romano, was a common staple, and pepper was a precious spice with a long history in Italy. The perfect cheese. Pecorino Romano is a key ingredient in Cacio e Pepe, but not all Pecorino Romano cheeses are created equal. The best one comes from Sardinia, where the sheep graze on specific pastures, giving the cheese its distinct flavor. True Pecorino Romano can only be made from sheep's milk and should be aged for at least 5 months. Mastering the technique. Achieving the perfect texture for Cacio e Pepe is an art in itself. The pasta water plays a crucial role in creating the creamy sauce. The emulsification occurs when the starchy water combines with the cheese and pepper, creating a rich, velvety coating that clings to the pasta. Ancient Roman roots. Cacio e Pepe may have ancient Roman origins, but it experienced a revival in the 20th century. It's said that Italian shepherds used to prepare this dish with their meager supplies while traveling long distances. The pasta and cheese provided the necessary sustenance for their journey. The Roman Gastronomic Society. In 1930, the famous Roman Gastronomic Society documented Cacio e Pepe in its cookbook, solidifying its place in Italian culinary heritage. This marked the dish's return to the spotlight and its recognition as a true classic. The unwritten rule. When it comes to Cacio e Pepe, there's an unwritten rule in Italy. Chefs believe that you should only use long, thin pasta varieties, such as Tonnarelli or spaghetti, to get the best texture and flavor combination. So, remember, short pasta is a big no-no. A Roman street food favorite. While Cacio e Pepe is now served in elegant restaurants worldwide, it was once a beloved street food dish in Rome. It was quick, easy to prepare, and filled the air with irresistible aromas that drew locals and tourists alike. Cacio e Pepe Day. Did you know that Rome celebrates Cacio e Pepe Day on April 6th? This special day pays tribute to this iconic dish and brings people together to enjoy its timeless flavors. A star in modern cuisine. Cacio e Pepe has become a favorite among modern chefs who add their creative twist to this traditional dish. From using different cheeses to incorporating unique ingredients, these innovative renditions honor the past while embracing the future. And there you have it, the fascinating world of Cacio e Pepe, a dish with a rich history and a tantalizing taste. Next time you indulge in this Italian delight, remember the secrets we've shared today. Thanks for joining us on this journey of culinary discovery. As always, like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, ciao.